Gage, Chad Hawkins with Sticky Labs Marketing. Wanted to make you a quick video. I've just done a really sort of a shallow dive analysis of your website, and I want to give you some tips on how you can increase your web presence and how we can significantly, I think, increase your business. We've worked with dozens of attorneys around the country doing this, and what I'm going to give you today is just sort of the tip of the iceberg, but hopefully it'll give you an idea of what we can do. So this is your home page, and one of the most important things when you're looking at creating a web presence that's going to rank at the top of Google, and that's what we're really trying to do here, is put you in the top search results, really the top three. And I actually found you on page 3. I was looking for attorneys in Pueblo to work with, and then noticed that you have some other offices, but you're on page 3 in Pueblo. The main ingredient to this is what we call authoritative content on your homepage. And by content, we're talking about a minimum of 1,000 words of content on your homepage. When the Google bots read a web page, they read the content on a page, and what they're looking for is content that's going to give them the best match for someone's search, whether someone's searching, family law attorney, divorce attorney, a DUI lawyer. There's so many different variations. What they're looking for is content that's going to match that, because what they want to do is obviously keep you on that search page as long as possible, because they make money by selling ads. And so the content, not only do we need enough of it, but it needs to be written a very specific way with very specific words. That is one of the main things that gets you ranked locally, and we're talking about local rankings. And so what we would do is we would go in and we would rank you locally for Pueblo. You have offices in Denver. We would also rank you for your offices in Denver. The second thing, the second most important ingredient, is what we call citations. And what citations are other websites linking to you. So this is a tool I use to take a look at citations. You can see you have 22 citations. That means you have 22 outside websites that are linking to you, and each one of these brings value. Now, unfortunately, on your site, the trust flow is the quality of those links. Not every link is created equal. It depends on the value that Google has put on those other links. Both of these numbers cap out at about 100. What you really want to try and do is keep these fairly even. As you can see, we don't really have any links to you that have any value, and so that's really hurting your online presence when it comes to ranking. And so what we would do is we would come in and really bump this up quite a bit. The third little tip I want to talk about really quick today is also building out your pages on free social media sites. Facebook, Yelp, Foursquare. These are all great places that, if they're built out properly and linked to your homepage, can significantly increase your rank. Okay, so if we go back to your homepage real quick, let me just go back. This is the original search I did. Family Attorney Pueblo is what I searched. And I'm on, if we just go to the bottom of the page here, I'm on page 3. And you're showing up on page 3. I want to show you what we want to do. Go back to page 1. Most Google searches, what we have are paid Google ads here. And by the way, I can show you what your competitors are paying. And it's sometimes pretty mind-boggling how much money they're spending a month. They're buying their way to the top, but doing it organically is much better. And so what you have on each Google search is you have what's called a map pack. You have the top 3 searches, which we can show you how to get into this map pack, and then we have the organic searches, and these are the top search results for Family Attorney Pueblo. Now, interestingly enough, these a lot of times will coincide with these. When I see search results here that don't match the front page here, there's an opportunity here for someone else to come in and get ranked high on these. And so that's what I'd like to talk with you about. This is really just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot of ways and strategies that we use, but I think you can appreciate the value if your firm was ranked in the top 3 of a search. And remember, there's hundreds of different kinds of searches. It's not just one search. I can show you statistics on this. 80% of people don't get past the first page when they search. About 70% don't even get past the top 3. And so you can see the importance, and we have significantly increased business for a lot of our clients through this strategy. Hope that gets you piques your interest a little bit. I'd love to talk with you further. I'm going to send you this video. Feel free to give me a call or drop me an email. We can set up a time to chat. All right, thanks, Gage.